this video I am going to give brief description about Dubai Gold Souk. The Dubai Gold Souk is a traditional market in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, that specializes in gold and other precious metals. It is one of the largest gold markets in the world and is a popular tourist destination. The specialty of the Dubai Gold Souk is the wide variety of gold and jewelry available at competitive prices. The market features an extensive selection of gold, ranging from 18 karat to 24 karat, as well as other precious metals like platinum and silver. The gold in the souk is sold by weight and is usually priced based on the current market price of gold. In addition to gold, the Dubai Gold Souk also features a wide range of jewelry, including traditional Arabic designs as well as modern and contemporary styles. The market is known for its craftsmanship, with many pieces of jewelry made by skilled artisans from around the world. Overall, the Dubai Gold Souk is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in gold and jewelry, offering an unparalleled selection of high-quality and competitively priced items. Thanks for watching. Bye.